Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change display a language in your iPhone 11. So let's take a look how to do that. For example, right now my one is English language and I would like to make it to my preferred language. How you can change that? In this case, it's really easy and simple. You need to go in device settings section and then scroll down and you will find here General tab. Simply click over on it and then scroll down. You will find here language and region. Simply click over there and here in upper side you will find iPhone language. When you click there, you will see a bunch of languages will appear here. You can choose your any preferred language if you want. For example, I want to choose this Korean language, and whenever you're going to change it, it's going to ask you a confirmation question like change to Korean. Okay, we're going to click here change to Korean, and I will see my phone going to be restart and it's converted to Korean. Now you might be confused how, for example, now you can see I had successfully changed my iPhone language English to Korean. Right now you might be accidentally you change your phone language. It might be Arabic, English, or any other language which you know understand. So in this case, how you can change it to English? First of all, if you want to change to English, so let me explain you another way how you can change that. For example, myself, I don't know Korean language and how I can change it to English. In this case, you need to find out your phone where is appear this icon, which is your setting icon. So I hope you obviously know which is the setting icon. So you can simply click over on it and then you will see a new screen will appear. Here you can see there is a one. This is we can calculate one. This is 2 and 3. You can see another is a gear icon, which is our for example it's Korean language, but which will help you to understand it's like a general language. So we're going to click there, and after clicking here you will see there is a every white color, after there is a gray color. So for example, for we take this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So if you want to change this language, so you need to follow this trick to change any other language to English language. I know many of you know English, but it's accidentally change your device. So we're going to click here 1 2 3 4. In 4 section we need to click here 1 2 3 4. So after click on 4, in the upper side you will see there is a iPhone Korean. So we're going to click over in it and then we will see there will be all the languages will appear. So for example, I want to change it to English. So I'm going to click here English. After choose English, we will see there will be a pop-up appear. So I'm going to click over on it and my phone is going to be automatically change it to English. So in this way, if either you don't know your iPhone language, it might be accidentally change it to Japan, Korea, Arabic, or any other language. In this simple trick with the follow the item or follow the icon, you can easily change your iPhone 11 language to English language. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.